Understanding the Ingress Protection (IP) code, a technical deep dive. The Universal Standard. What is the IP rating? The Ingress Protection (IP) rating is a globally recognized standard defined by the International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) in the standard IEC 60529. This two-digit code quantifies the degree of protection provided by an electrical enclosure against the intrusion of solid foreign objects and water. Unlike vague marketing terms such as water-resistant or weatherproof, the IP code offers a precise, verifiable score. Deciphering the digits, solids and liquids. An IP rating, typically seen as IP followed by two digits, e.g., IP68, is a clear technical specification. The first digit, 0 to 6, relates to protection against solid particulates, like dust, tools, and fingers. The second digit, 0-9K, measures the protection level against liquids, specifically water. A higher number always indicates a greater level of protection. First digit focus, protection against solids, 0 to 6. The solid protection scale runs from 0, no protection, to 6, dust tight. A rating of 4 protects against objects larger than 1.0 mm, like wires, while a rating of 5 signifies the device is dust protected, meaning limited ingress is permitted without interfering with normal operation. Crucially, the maximum level, 6, means the enclosure is completely dust tight, no ingress of dust is allowed. IP54, the entry-level standard for general use. The IP54 rating offers a balanced level of defense suitable for general indoor and light outdoor use. The 5 indicates the device is dust protected, meaning enough dust is excluded to ensure proper function. The 4 means it is protected against water splashing from any direction, tested with an oscillating spray for a minimum of 10 minutes. This is ideal for equipment like factory floor displays or covered outdoor fixtures. IP68, the gold standard for consumer electronics. An IP68 rating is currently the gold standard for rugged consumer and professional devices. The 6 guarantees the enclosure is fully dust tight. The 8 signifies protection against the effects of continuous submersion in water. However, the specific conditions, the maximum depth and duration, must be defined and advertised by the manufacturer, typically exceeding 1 meter, for 30 minutes. Second digit focus, submersion versus jets, level 7 versus 6. The difference between liquid protection levels 6 and 7 is often misunderstood. Level 6 protects against powerful water jets, 12.5 mm nozzle, while level 7 protects against temporary immersion, up to 1 m, for 30 min. A device can pass one test but fail the other, which is why some rugged devices will carry a dual rating, such as IP66, IP68. IPX7, the temporary dunk-proof mark. The rating IPX7 denotes that the solid protection level was not formally tested, X, but the liquid protection is level 7. This means the device can withstand temporary immersion up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. This rating is common in products like Bluetooth speakers and smartwatches, where accidental drops into water are a primary concern, but jet spray resistance is secondary. The role of X, untested, not unprotected. When an X replaces a digit, as in IPX7 or IP6X, it does not mean zero protection. It simply indicates that the product was not formally tested and therefore not assigned a numerical rating for that specific type of ingress. An IPX7 rated earbud might be reasonably dust resistant, but its dust protection level is not certified by the IEC standard. Beyond the code, practical considerations. Technical enthusiasts must remember that IP ratings are given under controlled laboratory conditions, usually with fresh water. Exposure to things like salt water, high-pressure washers, or prolonged immersion exceeding the manufacturer's specific IP68 parameters can still compromise the device's integrity. The rating is a confidence score, not an absolute guarantee of indestructibility. Final takeaway: matching the rating to the environment. Selecting the correct device involves matching its rating to its operating environment. For environments with fine dust and powerful water jets, look for IP66. For accidental submersion protection, target IP67 or IP68. And for general protection against splashes, IP54 may suffice.